Hey there, ladies and gentlemen! Welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for all things cleaning and organization. If you're tired of constantly battling dust in your home, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to teach you how to live in a dust-free house. Our 7 simple secrets will show you how. Stick around to the end, because we have a bonus tip for you that will change your life. Now let's get started. Our first secret to a dust-free house is maintaining clean floors. Regular sweeping and mopping can make a world of difference. Choose a good quality broom and mop for hard floors. And don't forget to regularly vacuum carpets and rugs. These simple steps will keep dust at bay and give your home a fresh look. Secret number 2, declutter your space. Excess items collect dust, so put things away and get rid of things you no longer need. It's a great opportunity to organize your home and keep dust from accumulating on surfaces. Secret 3 is investing in air purifiers. High-quality air purifiers can filter out dust particles, allergens, and even pet dander. Make sure to place them strategically in your home for the best results. For secret number 4, we recommend using allergen-proof bedding. These specially designed covers can help keep your bed dust-free and prevent allergies, ensuring a good night's sleep. Secret 5 is all about your HVAC system. Regularly cleaning or replacing the filters will ensure that the air in your home is cleaner and less prone to dust accumulation. For secret number 6, remember to dust from top to bottom. This prevents falling dust from resettling on lower surfaces. Use a good microfiber cloth and dusting tools for the best results. And finally, secret 7 is all about controlling humidity levels in your home. Dust particles are more likely to settle in dry conditions, so using a humidifier can help maintain optimal humidity levels to keep the dust at bay. And now for the bonus secret. We're going to make an all-natural dust repellent spray to use all over the house. Here is what you do. Measure 1 cup of water into an empty spray bottle. Add 1 teaspoon olive oil, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Add 4 pumps of dish soap, and 20 drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant fragrance. Replace the sprayer and give the bottle a good shake. Spray onto a microfiber cloth and dust away. Remember to shake the bottle before each use to make sure the ingredients are well mixed. As always, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below with your favorite tip from this video or any additional tips you might have for keeping your house dust-free. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notifications bell so you never miss out on more cleaning and organization tips. Click here to see more hints for making your kitchen sparkle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.